Okay, so in this video, uh, I'm just going to add some finishing touches to the sketches here on the left. Okay, so this is our, well, it's the grain store sort of taken apart, and we're just showing people who are communicating through sketch how it goes together. So we just want to add a little bit of colour in here as well. So guys, don't forget that our light source is here at the top right. Okay, so again, the darkest part will be to the left, and you'll have light shining on these surfaces, okay, and the top surfaces, so they should be nice and bright. I'm going to start down here at the very bottom. So I'm going to start with this large cylinder, and just with a colouring pencil there, I'm adding in, I turn this a little bit, so I'm just going to colour this in green, okay, and the colouring is going to be, it's going to be darker towards the left, and it's going to get lighter as we move towards the right here. Okay, so I'm not going to spend too long doing this, just adding in a little bit of colour. As you can see, I'm colouring over the pencil mark as well. So guys, the shading that we've done with the pencil should help to enhance this sketch. So getting right up to the top. And then at the top surface then, just adding a really light little bit of colouring up there on top, okay, because the light will be shining on that surface. So it should be darkest over here towards the left, and then it should get brighter as we work towards the right hand side of the cylinder. Okay, so that's that. The truncated cone then, I just colour this different colour here, so same thing again, nice and dark over here on the left, right down to the bottom there like that, and getting lighter as we move around towards the right like that, okay. So what you could do too is you could continue with your contouring technique with the colouring pencil. Okay, so heaving in over the pencil work again. Okay, and keeping with the contouring that we've done earlier. I'll just add in some more lines there. So the direction that your colouring pencil is moving in will help enhance this sketch even more. And the last one then is a little cylinder up on top there. So what I'll do here actually is I'll just continue with the cross hatching with the colouring pencil this time. Just nice and light over here, and we have a little hint of blue on top because that light source is shining up on the top surface, so it should be nice and bright up there. Just add a little bit here as well. Okay. Alright, so there are the three different parts of that grain silo. Okay. Okay, so the final things we want to do here, guys, I'm going to use my fine liner for this. I'm just going to label each part. If you don't have your fine liner, a pencil is okay. So I'm going to start with the cylinder at the bottom. So guys, I'm just going to sketch in an arrowhead like so. So guys, the arrowhead should be pointy, they should be long, they should be slender, and out of that, a curved line like so. And I'm going to label this cylinder. Okay, I'm just going to call this the main body of the grain store. So I'm using my fine liner pen still, and I'm using block capitals, and I'm taking my time writing in block capitals the name of this part. So that's the main body, and then underneath in brackets I'm going to write in cylinder. Okay, block capitals again. And I'm going to label these other parts also. Okay, so starting off with the arrow again, so long slender arrowhead, and just a curved line coming out of the arrowhead like so. And this is our truncated cone. Okay, and the very top piece then is also a cylinder. So arrowhead, curved line, block capitals, cylinder. And that's it. There are three parts labelled. The labelling is really important. It should be block capitals, nice, neat. Arrowhead should be neat and tidy. And what we're doing is communicating a design of a grain silo to the reader. Okay, so have a go at that, guys. I'll touch base again soon.